Then you enter the pin and press pound. Then you enter twice for purple button. Then press 0 once and release. And then you press learn button once. And at the end, press pin and press enter. So once you hear that click sound, that means you're set and it's connected. So for whatever reason it doesn't work for you, just repeat the steps. It should work. Alright, so all you have to do is install the new one again back to where it should be. You just have to slide that in and put that screw back.